In the infection prevention and control industry, environmental cleaning and disinfecting of surfaces is becoming more important than ever before. Immediate Care and their parent company, SFC Enterprises, recently called the Germ Busters and had the following facilities disinfected and protected: the Red Bank corporate offices and all common areas, the Immediate Care locations in Brick, East Windsor, Edison, Hazlet, Marlboro, Red Bank, and Toms River. In this short video, we're going to explain what exactly has been done in your work area and how it will help protect you and your family. After suiting up, we prep special surfaces like desktops, door handles, telephones, keyboards, and other electronics. This method of manually sanitizing these areas are just an extra step towards our 99% kill rate. Next, we begin our double protection treatment process. Both of our treatments are applied using electrostatic technology. Germ Busters is leading the way in the use of this technology in the infection prevention and control industry as a tool to break the chain of pathogen mobility. The first step is to disinfect. We use our high-power fogger to apply EPA-approved disinfectant to all surfaces, including walls, tables, chairs, light switches, outlets, railings, and all of those high-touch and trafficked areas. The fog remains in the air for a certain period of time and then gradually settles on all surfaces, including the floor, in carpet fibers, cracks, air ducts, windows, cabinets, and other hard-to-reach areas. We let that sit for 15 minutes before moving on to the second part of our treatment and the crown jewel of the Germ Buster system, the protectant. The protectant works once dry by binding to the surface, producing a protective antimicrobial barrier, which continues to work for up to 30 days, even with routine cleanings. The spray contains positively charged particles that are able to aggressively adhere to surfaces and objects. Because the particles in the spray are positively charged, they cling to and coat any surface they're aimed at. For awkwardly shaped objects and hard to reach places, all we have to do is point and spray. During this critical time, we want to give you the peace of mind to know that SFC Enterprises and Immediate Care has taken the necessary steps to protect their patients, employees, clients, vendors, and the medical team on the front line of COVID-19. We are grateful to all of you for your work and know that you are protected for the next 30 days. You've been busted by Germ Busters, a healthy solution. Learn more online at www.germbustersystem.com.